Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Heavenly Hunks ridiculously amazing oatmeal dark chocolate gluten-free cookies in a way. So take a look at this. It is vegan, so gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, baked with love, and yeah, let's open. We're gonna do a quick taste test. So there's the nutrient balance. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. So there's it's gluten-free oats, you got dark chocolate, cane sugar, cocoa, all that good stuff. There is 7 grams of sugar per cookie. Wow, it's quite a bit. May contain those things there, guys, so just be aware of that. And there you see, vegan, all that stuff. Alright, let's open this up and do a taste test for you. Okay, so open the top there. Take a look at that. That's what they look like. They're actually quite big. It looks really small in the package, but they're actually quite big. Look at the size of this. So you can see the chocolate chip clusters in there. Really dense looking. So quick taste test. Wow. They're good, but really sweet. Very sweet, guys. Good, but very sugary and sweet. Other than that, it's pretty good. It's chewy, it's tender. It's not overly dry. Definitely check it out, but it is on the sweet side, guys. Just be aware of that. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.